Hey everyone, happy Friday! We did it. We made it to Friday. We have one more day to work. Just checking on Stanley. She's snoozing right here at my feet. Today I am 173.4, exactly the same as yesterday, so I'll take that as a win. Let's go downstairs and see what's for breakfast. Hopefully today can be a little more creative than yesterday. Yesterday was kind of a slammed day, so I do have my meal plan that I go by, but sometimes I have to substitute things if we don't have all the ingredients, or if it's too complicated, or if I'm just stressed and I don't feel like cooking. So yesterday was kind of a combination of everything. And then also I'm really big on using up leftovers. So sorry if you guys see a couple of repeats. I really hate wasting food. So I'm trying to be as creative as possible with what we have and using leftovers. So let's go see what I can do with today's meals. Hi, Princess.
This is Stanley Pie Pop, aka the Princess.
Good morning, Stanley Pie Pop. Oh, you're so pretty. You're so pretty.
She's in one of her good moods.
Okay, calling all fish lovers. Here is breakfast. So I'm gonna try some salmon. I'm gonna do smoked salmon on, I don't have a bagel, so I'm using an English muffin. I'm using the Thomas's, the last one, the light multi-grain English muffin for 3 smart points. The smoked salmon is 0 smart points, and I'm going to use, instead of cream cheese, I'm going to use a honey mustard spread. So I'm going to use 1 tablespoon, which is 2 smart points. So my breakfast is going to be 5 smart points. Okay, in case you were wondering, I got the salmon at Costco. I'm gonna call this a salmon carpaccio English muffin, and I'm probably saying that wrong, but all you salmon aficionados know what I'm talking about. Let's see how it tastes. Very good. It's just like salmon on a cracker for breakfast. Okay, time for a quick walk. Today's walk is 30 minutes. Quick walk. I'm kind of rethinking this whole run a mile a day in October, because I feel, even with all this walking that I'm doing, I still feel so out of shape. So it's going to be so challenging for me. I'm totally rethinking it. Someone talk me into it, please. A mile a day in October. I guarantee you the first few days, the first week, maybe more, it will be walking and running for me. Anyway, that's that. So it's only 91 degrees out today with a nice breeze, and finally, the air quality seems to be better. So that is good. Still got my mask on. Playing it safe, guys. Playing it safe. Okay, lunch today looks very pretty, and it's all 0 smart points. So this is my barbecue glazed turkey meatloaf here for 0 smart points. I'm going to use a tablespoon of this G. Hughes sugar-free barbecue sauce for 0 smart points. You can use up to 3 tablespoons of this barbecue sauce for 0 smart points. And then I just have some mixed vegetables here, some green peas, and sliced tomato. And then I also had a whole bunch of water already. Okay, it's 6 o'clock, quitting time. Happy Friday. So excited. And since I already walked today, I don't have to walk tonight. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm doing instead. I'm going to read. Here are the books I'm reading right now. How to Land Your First Paralegal Job. Yes, that's right. I'm reading this for school. I need to read pages 1 through 50. Not a big deal, but the book I really wanted to show you guys, I found at Costco. It's called My Dark Vanessa. It is by Kate Elizabeth Russell. I'm not very far into it so far, you can tell, but it's about a girl who was sexually abused as a teenager by her teacher. But I believe she was like 17 or so, you know, kind of blurs the lines. Anyway, it's a good book so far. I'm going to read a little bit, and then I'll make a drink, because after all, it's Friday. Okay guys, it's Friday night. Let's make a drink. I'm gonna make for you guys tonight my favorite. It's a classic. We actually call it the classic here at the Pop household. And it's super simple. You're gonna laugh and be like, oh my gosh, that's what she drinks. I used to drink a lot of wine, and then I went to a sangria that I mixed myself, and now I'm onto something that I feel for me is just really like clean and crisp and delicious and refreshing, especially when it's like 100+ degrees outside. But anyway, super easy. Let's get started. First, we have 2 glasses, one for me, one for Todd. I always put Todd's glass on the left-hand side, so left. Todd's glass is on the left-hand side no matter what we're doing, so that way we always know which one is his. So we're gonna start with ice. I do 4 ice cubes per glass. Todd does 3. But I'm gonna do 4 for him just because it's a little gift from me to him. So there's 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is gonna be so easy, you're gonna laugh. 4 ice cubes in each glass, and then we're gonna do the alcohol. I like rum, so I generally do Bacardi. There are a lot of different rums out there, and there are some that taste really gross. My go-to is Bacardi because I'm familiar with the flavor. I know how it tastes, and it tastes good to me, so we're just gonna do 2 shots. That's right, 2 shots of Bacardi. So 1 shot of any hard liquor is 3 smart points. This is where WW rounds up because 2 shots of any hard liquor is 7 smart points. So this is gonna be a 7 smart point drink.
When we feel fancy, we put lemons.
We're fancy tonight. We have lemon.
And then...
And I think he's actually going to squirt some lemon inside too,
Oh,
right?
it's too big. Oh.
The lemon is kind of big.
And then...
Give us a little shot there.
And then a little squeeze. And my dad doesn't really like lemon.
Yeah, Todd doesn't like lemon. It kind of bothers his stomach. So we just do his as decoration. All right, so I do the Bacardi, the rum. Todd likes the vodka. So we're doing 2 shots of vodka for Todd. And I want to show you guys this awesome shot glass that we got in San Diego. It says, take me to the sea. I love it so much. So we're doing 2 shots of vodka. Why can I not say vodka? Because I'm like vodka for Todd, vodka for Todd.
And it's Friday, so we put umbrella.
Yay, it's Friday, so umbrellas are required. Okay, I told you guys this was super easy. We've got 2 shots of vodka for Todd, 2 shots of Bacardi for me, and the last ingredient, there's only one more ingredient. It is, ta-da, LaCroix. Any flavor of LaCroix, we do them all. But this to me is just so clean, and like I don't like a lot of mixers that have sugar and salt and all that stuff. That's my bartending help here. But look how beautiful these look. Okay, let's add the seltzer water and we'll be done here. 7 smart points for a drink that packs a punch. Like, I don't mess around. I always tell Todd and Gabe, go big or go home. So today we're big and we're home.
I say go big or go bigger.
Gabe says go big or go bigger. We're going big tonight. Big, yo. Okay. And that's it. You guys, this is our Friday night. Cheers to all of you in YouTube land. We've got Todd's drink with vodka here, my drink with rum here, seltzer water.
We have a special guest.
This is what we call a classic.
Oreo.
And Oreo wants to say hi. Yay, drink's done. Time to get on with the weekend. Okay, here's dinner for tonight, and please excuse the noise of the Lakers game in the background because we are Lakers fans and they are playing. So here's my salad. We decided tonight just to order from a restaurant because nobody really wanted to cook. So I'm going to tell you everything. I have a little list here. I'm going to tell you everything that's actually in my salad. This is how I point for a salad that you order online because, you know, all kinds of ingredients, yummy stuff. This looks so good. So I'm going to tell you what's in it. Iceberg lettuce, 0. Sweet corn, and I literally just took this off the description on the website. So this is what they have on their menu. It's just a description of the salad. Iceberg lettuce, 0. Sweet corn, 0. Red bell pepper, 0. Green onions, 0. Tomatoes, 0. Gouda cheese. Now this is the cheese right here. I was like, what is that? That's the Gouda cheese. 1 ounce of Gouda cheese and 1 ounce of most cheese is 4 smart points. So I'm gonna count 1 ounce of cheese for 4 smart points. Then we have fresh cilantro, blackened chicken breast, 0, and tortilla strips. Right here, I'm counting 2 tablespoons of tortilla strips is 1 smart point. So this entire huge, yummy, it's heavy, this yummy, delicious takeout salad is going to be 5 smart points. Now, it did come with a Santa Fe dressing. I'm going to use my dressing that I made, which is right here. This is a yogurt. It's a non-fat Greek yogurt dressing with seasonings, lemon juice, vinegar, and more seasonings. And this is 0 smart points. So this is the dressing I'm going to use on my 5 smart point salad. So everything for dinner tonight is a grand total of 5 smart points.